Okay, so what I want to do is standardize the input into our CRM call module and have a couple of things visible based on the condition that we set there. So I'm just going to go to the developer mode. I'm going to go into sales management and general operations. I want to go to my CRM call entry. I'll say base. Okay, so in this text box here, I want to make this text standard to take away the ability for the guys to free type in whatever they want, make it easier so that we can drill down and pull reports out of it. So I'm just going to go to customization. The first thing I'm going to do is make that invisible. Okay, I'm going to go to my toolbox and I'm going to take an EPI Ultra combo. Sorry, couldn't see that there. So I'm going to drop that in here, and I'm going to take text out, and I'm going to give it a couple of items in here. So I'm going to say it's a sales call or a design call or operational. The three should do just now. Okay, now what I want here is to link this to our CRM call description, so that'll populate that field. So that's ideal. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in some little check boxes that will be a subcategory. So move this over, back to the toolbox again. Epi group box. Drag that in there, and take our text off of there, and I'm going to drop a couple of check boxes in here. And I'll put a label in there. Just so we can see it. Now, if I take this, make this group box invisible just now, I'm going to go back to my toolbox, take another group box, I'm going to place that in there. Now, you might want to make these line up, have them in the same place so that it doesn't look as though it's switching between two different boxes. And checkbox there. And put another label in here, and this label will just say 2, so that we can just see the difference between the two of them. Okay, so what I want is a condition based on once an action's been performed in this. So I'm going to go to my wizards. I'm going to look for an event wizard. Say on my Epi Ultra Combo box. There it's there. And I'm going to say after close up, move that across, update the code, and that moves into here. So I've got 3 things in the description field, and I've only got 2 boxes there. We'll just do the first 2. So in here I'm going to put in a little bit of code. I'm going to say that my AP data view, call it CRM view, equals AP data view trans AP data views, and we know that this is in the CRM call. Okay, we want a string here. We'll call this description. And which one does this pertain to? And it's the call desk. Okay, so let's do it. Now we're just going to put an if statement in here. We're going to say if description equals sales, then our AP group box C1 visible parameter equals true. Close that. Else AP group box C1 dot visible equals false. Okay, so that's fine. If we pull this drop down now, what we should do, we should see group box 1. If we select, if we select sales, we should see the group box 1. We're going to put another one in here, so we'll just copy that again. Just put that in below. And this time we will say that it was design, and we'll change that to group box 2. Okay, tools, test code. Okay, we've got an error there. Actually, a bracket in there. And yeah, look at that there, don't need that. Okay, so tools, test code. have to, we need an R. Parenthesis there. Yeah, there we go. Great. So if I save this, test, save. One thing I want to check there, yeah, I've not got my group box set visible to false. Save that again. Close that, reopen it again, select test, create a new call. So now I've got nothing there. If I select sales, I've got group box 1. If I select design, I get group box 2. So you can take that further by assigning these checkboxes values. You can set in subcategories, a whole lot of different things there. But that was how to set the visibility of a part based on a drop down. Thank you.